OpenVPN is an open-source VPN solution that helps you create secure remote access to your private network and cloud resources. Let's set up the product in your AWS account. You can find the link for the developer guide below in the description. And also you can find the developer guide under the additional resources section of the product page. If you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, you can continue to set up the product. To begin with, click the View Purchases Options button. Click the Subscribe button. Please wait 3 minutes.
There are two launch options: AWS CloudFormation for automated deployment and Amazon EC2 for manual custom deployment. First, try out AWS CloudFormation. Click Next.
Provide a unique stack name. Keep the AMI ID as it is. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Choose an instance type. Select your preferred key name. Set SSH location as 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CIDR block and keep VPC CIDR block as it is. Click Next. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. After CloudFormation is created, navigate to Output tab. Copy the public IP address indicated as public IP in the Outputs tab. You can use Terminal or SSH Client. Here I use SSH Client name Termius. Generate a client configuration to create the .ovpn file. Then download it to your machine and upload it into the OpenVPN Connect app. Read the developer guide for more details. Check it using a What is my IP website to confirm that the displayed IP address is your OpenVPN server IP. Now try with the Amazon EC2 option. Click Launch from EC2 console. Click Launch from EC2. Give name. Choose the required instance type. Select or create a key pair for SSH access. Review all instance settings. Click Launch Instance. Now try the one-click launch from AWS Marketplace for a quick deployment with minimal configuration. Click Create Security Group. Enter a security group name. Keep the vendor-recommended inbound rules for SSH TCP22 and UDP 1194, then click Create Security Group to continue. Click Launch button. After the instance is launched, continue with the same steps as the CloudFormation deployment. Enjoy OpenVPN.